Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to remove sound from a video on iPhone. For that, firstly go on your Photos application or your album. Now select the video that you want to remove a sound from. At this video, at the bottom you can see sound icon. Now if you tap on that, it will show you a mute option. But remember that this mute option is temporarily and valid only throughout the video. It won't remove your sound permanently. Now to remove the sound from a video permanently, all you need to do is tap on the edit option at the top right. Now this kind of interface will appear. At the top left, you can see the sound icon. You need to tap over there and simply tap on done. And now a sound from your video has been permanently removed. But if you want it back, you can simply go to the same option and unmute it again. And this is how you remove sound from a video on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.